In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the eBay Help Center to get the assistance you need. Whether you're dealing with a transaction issue, a problem listing an item, or anything in between, contacting eBay support can truly make a difference. The process might seem a bit daunting, but I'm here to guide you through it. Let's start by heading over to the eBay Help Center online. You can easily access this from your computer or your mobile device by simply going to eBay's homepage and scrolling to the bottom where you'll find a link to the Help and Contact section. This is your gateway to resolving any issues you might encounter while buying, selling, or simply navigating the site. Once you're at the Help Center, you'll notice a wealth of information at your fingertips. The first thing you'll want to do is identify what specific issue you need help with. eBay has a user-friendly search bar located prominently at the top of the page. Here you can type in a brief description of your issue. For instance, if you have a problem with a recent purchase, typing in "problem with purchase" will pull up a series of articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides specifically related to buying issues. If you prefer a more guided approach or your search doesn't quite pinpoint your problem, there's always the option to click on the Contact Us link. It's conveniently located and will direct you to eBay's contact options. Now, once you've landed on the Contact Us page, eBay provides several methods to reach out for support: chat, phone, or email. Selecting the right contact method is key. If you prefer instant communication and quick replies, you might opt for the chat feature. This is great for straightforward questions or issues that may require back and forth communication. On the other hand, if you have a more complex problem or prefer a one-on-one conversation, choosing a phone call might be the best route. This method allows you to explain your issue in detail and receive immediate feedback from a support representative. Lastly, if your inquiry isn't urgent, consider sending an email. This method allows you to articulate your issue thoroughly and attach any relevant screenshots or documents that might help explain your situation. Once you've decided on a contact method, follow the on-screen prompts provided by eBay. These prompts are designed to efficiently connect you with someone who can help based on the issue you've identified. It's important to follow these instructions as precisely as possible to minimize waiting time and ensure your concern is directed to the appropriate support staff. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively contact eBay support and get the help you need. Remember, patience and clear communication are key when reaching out for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video or know someone who might benefit from it, feel free to share. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials and tips. Until next time.